Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a Telegram channel, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, go ahead, tap on this Telegram app of yours and you will find this kind of interface, right? So if you would like to create a new channel or make it, all you have to do is tap on this icon, which is pencil icon in a box. Go ahead, tap on it. Now you will find on top three options: new group, new contact, plus this new channel. Go ahead, tap on it. Now here in the section, all you have to do is tap on this create channel. Go ahead, enter a name for your channel, right? So let's say we have entered the name. Once we're done, we can tap on this description and we can add whatever description we like. Once you're done, tap on this next option on top and we can choose to make it public or private accordingly. We can also choose to share a link and we can tap on this restrict saving content as well if you would prefer. Now we can tap on this next, and now we can add anybody we would like and tap on this next afterwards, and there we go, we have created a channel for us. Likewise, right over there, if you go back, we'll be able to simply detect our channel on top right there. So that is how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.